First things first, open up your new downpipe. Happy days. Throw all the rubbish out, don't need that no more, and you'll find yourself a sticker. Best thing about ordering anything new, you get a sticker. And priority number one, you want to go and put that on the back of your motor straight away. A little bit of YouTube magic, boom, happy days. And then you want to jump in, take the old rock cover off, and then down the side where the exhaust lays, you'll see there is 3 plugs. You want to remove the temp sensor plug, the O2 sensor plug, as well as the differential pressure plug. Now the differential pressure you can unplug and completely remove because you will no longer require it, as you haven't got a DPF, so you're not going to be measuring any back pressure. Next thing, you want to get underneath the vehicle if you're lifting it up or sliding underneath. Get that under tray off so we've got all the space in the world to be able to thread this downpipe out. By all means, don't get scared. You can do this on axle stands on your driveway. It's not a hard job. Can be a little bit annoying and painful at times, but it's definitely a job you can do yourself. Next things, where you can see where I've highlighted, you want to undo them bolts. You've got 2 E-sockets up there. You want to take that off because that's what's mounted to. And then you've got a 13mm tucked up nice and high up there. As you can see in this little clip now, gunning them off. It turns out this flexi was broken anyway, but all got to come off. Then you want to undo your 2 E-sockets. Once they're all undone, it will become a bit looser. And then your final third one, which was quite, as you can see, quite a few extensions. Get up in there, a little bit of a torch, help you out. Undo that. And then we are ready to go back down on the ground. Once on the ground, you then want to take off your main turbo clamp. Once this is undone, you will find that it still clamps really tight. You want to get something in there, pry that clamp apart, because it's probably never been off in your car's life. Pry that apart, obviously be careful, you don't want to break it. Once that's off, downpipe's now free, thread the cables through, happy days. Right, so this is probably one of the hardest parts of the whole job. You've got to remove the O2 sensor and temp sensor. As you can see, the O2 sensor came out nice and easy, that's on the floor. Temp sensor, this time was a massive struggle. You either find sometimes they just come out, or sometimes they fight you the whole way. As you can see now, got a little bit of heat on it, trying to get it hot, hoping that it's going to come out, and then a little bit of a shock treatment, doesn't do it no harm. Still got nothing. This one, honestly, not playing ball whatsoever. As you can tell in this clip, it finally came loose. I was very excited about it. This is about an hour of swearing later, so I was very relieved that it came out. But yeah, pre-warning, always good to go and buy a spare temp sensor before you start, just in case it doesn't come out. You can always return it if it does come out. Then you want to transfer your sensors over to your new downpipe. Do them up nice and tight because this will be the last opportunity you'll get to them. Then you want to thread the downpipe from the bottom, just resting it in the exhaust for now, not doing it up. Go straight up to the top. You want to plug in your 2 sensors, temp and O2 sensor, and then you finally want to do up the V-band on the turbo. Then finally return it underneath to do the bottom clamp up and refit the under tray.